MISUSE. Hi guys, at Willaston, I'm crossing Cheshire, my homes and Derek homes. There we go, now the time now is
13:26
on the
Sunday,
31st of December 2023. We are down for our
light engine movement from Cardiff Thompson sidings to Crewe track maintenance depot. Well, I think that's what TMD stands for.
and tonight is the Margan TC train running?
No, it's New Year's Eve.
Oh, that's a shame. Yeah, because tomorrow is 2024.
Okay.
And I think this is the last video of 2023.
Yeah.
This is the last video of 2023. Here it is. Oh, it's at 67. Got. Yes, 67028. 67028 to
Crewe TMD.
Crew
TMD.
TMD, and up they go.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, for seeing you in the next video.